What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Keshi vlog.
We're getting hot
Keshi. However Keshi? You say it.
Nix, how do you say his name?
Keshi.
Keshi?
Why didn't I vlog what? While we were squirting mustard all over the place inside.
Do you like my drink?
I know, that was me. What's up? Here's my hot dog. Here's my hot dog.
Consideration.
Here's the gas station. We're going.
We're not going anywhere.
We're eating hot dogs.
Two bags, one Porsche.
Yeah.
Clearly, I'm the vocalist of the group.
Clearly, I'm the visual. I'm kidding. I can't even say it straight. The visual center.
Na 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 na. Sipping close. That's a good. It's heating up. Oh. Your stick's moving. We're not gonna spend frivolous money. A cotton candy machine? How do I get it?
Oh my god.
Fly away!
How is it?
Does it at least taste good? Just cotton candy. Okay. Nothing cotton candy. My car. I don't think it was
I don't think so either. Go, Luna!
I was ready for it to be a lot deeper.
Oh.
I run 3 inches. It's 2 feet. That's why it's literally half of me.
We are the parents. Hayley? I know. I just gave my feet away for free.
Did you see my trick?
You did so good, honey.
Yeah. Amazing, great, perfect.
I'm so proud of you. What is that, a tattoo? You're only 11.
Oh, then you're gonna be really mad.
Oh no! When did you get that done? It's not a trip to Orlando if we don't open albums.
This is for my vlog.
Yes, just for you. I'm your camera person, Hayley.
I knew
Stop bending it! You bent it a... Oh, well... Who'd you get? Did it show?
No,
Oh, your poster is gonna be one member too.
Was that in that one or the other?
I think.
Oh, question mark?
Oh,
No.
stupid. Who is that?
Did you just say Subin? Subin's an NCT now?
Come on, doesn't this look like...
You're on your own.
You're on your own.
Oh,
Okay,
there's
you're
the...
too young. This is dad outfit.
He looks cute.
Jahan or...
Jaehoon.
Okay.
His little,
Show and tell.
his little
Show and
lace.
Okay, I don't care. This. There's two.
Open this one.
That's
That's
yeah.
amazing.
Oh yeah. Who do we get?
Is it dad? It's dad. It's tail.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Stop.
There's
The
a sticker.
sticker.
Yeah.
We peeled our sticker off of our plastic and put it on our album. And
Yeah,
then
that's
came
what I did
and then
too.
came to find that this was in there.
Let me see it.
The back?
Yeah.
Oh, I just love that.
It's too young.
I like that he's
The back? Here you go. Oh!
I'm forgetting there's someone in there.
Oh, wait, these are cute.
You got all too young.
That's not true. She got a tail poster.
Okay, that's the
Too
person
young.
too. Jehan? Ah, she
It's a
got Jehan.
sticker.
Like a sticker. At least I
Sticker,
got one
sticker.
thing. See, I
You got two options. You got two more chances.
We get in Hayley's feet for free, and it is a little dirty.
Somebody will want. Wait, let me.
Again.
Too young.
No, it's tail.
The moon curse.
I also
Oh,
have the
we're okay with you, Tolo.
Oh my
Yuta,
god.
Oppa.
You look
Oppa.
sexy.
First we had Subin and NCTAO, and now
Now we have a pinwheel. Is that a member? It's Jehan. It's just Jehan being sexy.
that's a good poster.
Wait, did we look at ours?
I got Mark.
Oh, I got Hey Chan.
You got Mark?
I did get Mark. It's a nice Mark.
Thank you. So will we, won't we go to the K-pop store?
John.
It's Jahan.
Oh, he looks so handsome.
Wait, I can't see like this. Damn.
Oh, wait,
That's
right
a
in the
nice
back, right in the back.
Be happy.
But you got another Yuta.
That's okay.
Be a shame. Someone took
I
that.
have the Jaehyun in all three albums. The poster, and then
Oh, see who your poster is in that one.
well, at least I know they came from like different warehouses or different
Yeah.
stocks, right?
Is that Yuta, Oppa?
Blonde, so it's gotta be Yuta. Oh my
Yuta,
God. I'm
Oppa.
respectfully right now. Fuck off.
I thought YouTube would know me enough by now.
Apparently not.
I didn't want to have to select something specifically.
This is the second day in Orlando, and here's what we've been doing the last 12 hours. I'm gonna get copyrighted, but here's what we've been doing.
Is Lito?
Are we gonna have a feature with Lito?
I'm having a solo stage with Lito.
Oh my god.
In bed.
Visual.
Who's the dancer?
Dancer. Oh, I'm the dancer.
She's the visual and the dancer.
Oh, I'm the oldest. But not really.
Who's the leader? Honey!
I can't even leave. I don't know how it goes. I just know they go.
We just made it to Disney Springs. If it looks familiar, it's from One Us. Bad memories.
Better memories today.
Better memories today. Plus our concert's not here.
Nope.
It's at
Good
a
venue.
it's at a big amphitheater field. But we're just killing time. Getting some chicken guy.
Yeah.
Luna's gonna find her squirrels.
Go feed them.
Yes. I feel like I haven't talked that much in this vlog yet, so here we go.
It's just gonna be a vlog where it's like, here's all the fun things we did without us explaining it.
Yeah, here's what we're doing. So, yeah, let's go.
I touched it.
It's chicken guy.
sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Destined by the motion. Loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time. Taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights. I've got to
Look at them. Look at the babies.
Oh my god. They had to choose right here. There's this entire freaking.
Because you can see the hot air balloon.
We moved it so we can see the balloon. But now everyone's walking this way.
There's a lot of people walking this way now. Mr. Auburn.
Ah! Ah!
You only did it for 3 seconds.
I know, that's why I ran.
Oh, it was only the 2.
Yeah.
What's this? Can you turn the camera on? No.
This one?
No. Don't. It's too embarrassing. For you or for them? Both. For like 20 minutes now. Yeah.
Oh. Well, we've got 10 seconds, so.
Okay.
Like. Oh, you're not gonna complete my heart?
Bottom, you guys do the top.
Oh, no better there. Yep. Oh my god, my legs!
Some people are really gross in public.
Like me!
Good, they're leaving. Okay, bye.
I'm ready for AC.
We're at Mochinut, finally. I've been talking about this place for like a long time. And it's a tea place too. She's waiting for our tea. We're waiting for our dogs.
I like donuts.
Got a dog on a coffee. Mochinut, the first time.
Best fucking hot dog I've ever eaten. It's not even a hot dog, it's a cheese stick that I've ever eaten in my life.
You got the potato Mochinut? Which one? Oh, you got the strawberry one. I can't believe how long that took. What does it say? More than just a hot dog, always near you.
My straw? Well, it is because that is corn or cheese.
But look how cute the cup is.
I was ready to.
I was ready to leave. Was that caught on camera?
Yes.
It just went down my throat.
How do you throw it
out? What are you doing? You're chewing.
It just tastes like coffee.
Mm-hmm. It's black tea.
This is disgusting.
It's like cardboard.
My dalgona is better.
That one was really good.
I want to taste that one.
Guys, we waited a really long time for this.
Like
Not-
almost
well,
half an hour.
Just
Not
for
peas, just the corn dog.
This one's the best. If you're gonna go and get one,
get the strawberry.
get the
funnel cake.
strawberry funnel cake.
You heard it here.
It's the only one that actually tastes kind of different.
Here's the dog.
That we waited a really long time.
Well,
for.
it took.
I'm really disappointed in the drink.
I'm really disappointed in everything thus far.
Who wants to bite it first?
Me.
I'm sure it's very hot
Yeah.
and it's very heavy.
Oh, it's hot and heavy. When the moon hits your eye.
It's not. Was it worth the wait?
No.
No, it feels very hot.
I'm not.
It's not. I'm sorry.
Well, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it.
Alright, well, I never have to go to Mochinut again.
Those bitches were good.
Maybe if we had some ketchup.
I don't think that would have saved it, to be honest.
Not in my.
Well, not for you, but for
Oh, you
us
don't like
who like
ketchup,
ketchup.
yeah.
I don't think that would have made it, like, better.
Well,
I will take another bite, though. I mean, not worth it. I would like another bite.
Are we gonna kiss?
you're a lady in the trumpet.
Oh, my God. I win!
And we're off. Bye.
Bye.
5 out of 10. Subpar experience.
Yeah.
Wearing. You can talk.
Oh. They said that for the fair, you have to be.
What is going on? Coming to you live.
Coming to you live from the Florida Amphitheater / Fairgrounds. I'm confused.
The lines are a mess.
There's like 7 lines. Yeah. But it's all somehow one.
It's literally in the fairgrounds. It's crazy, you guys.
Focus on if anybody's hot because I'm so bamboozled.
Oh my god, why is it so bad? Back to the car.
We didn't even see him.
Guys, this has been the best Keshi concert ever. Guys, this is worse than one. At least we made it into the venue.
And it's raining, and it's an outside concert.
Not only is it raining, the line situation was just like, it kind of almost was similar to a mosh pit. But nobody was like hitting each other.
So we're waiting for now. We're waiting it out.
And we're gonna reassess.
Yeah, with mom and dad.
Yeah.
We may not even go. In case, I don't think we said it, the concert is literally in the middle of a fair.
I showed us walking through, so you'll see it's in the middle of the Orlando Fairgrounds. That's not a spicy location.
This is a nightmare.
Who's honking?
Not us.
Okay,
And no one at me.
we'll update you when there's something new. Update, we made it in, finally. We went back to the car to wait, and now they're here too. And we made it in. We only waited like 40 minutes.
Fam, you made it
It's
so
crazy.
I know, I'm sorry.
But we made it.
I like that we can do it for ourselves because
It sounds good. We made it!
Finally! We are soaked. Update. As if this concert experience can't get any worse. Okay, go. Oh, yeah, we're soaked, as I said.
Do I still look hot?
Your makeup actually looks fine.
I'm fine because I wore a hoodie into my makeup. So good in my hair.
Mine
so
is
good
not,
now.
but I don't care anymore.
Do you know how to do that?
It's still raining.
A lot of fun in this.
It's still
Lie.
It's still raining. Oh god, here we go again. Okay, bye.
You just gotta embrace the
I'm
rain.
soaked.
It's Florida.
I want y'all to sing the intro. You guys ready? No. Let's hear it. Hell yeah. That's good.
Wow, is that still on the potato?
Hello, you work right now. Gotta just need it, it's only you. Please calm me down. And I know that he's selfish, but you are the only thing that ever makes sense to me. I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna do this. Cling to your side, voices at night, cover my eyes, I'm terrified. Yeah, I know in a rush until we were feeling alright. Say I'm not your type, but I know what's on your mind. We can talk about loving, or we can see what it's like. Don't lie, baby, don't lie. Is love never felt right? Switch sides and on this side, say it's alright.
Goddamn, I forgot what an actually good show sounded like. What about skeletons? You guys like skeletons? There's one EP I released before that. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but it changed my life. It's called The Reaper.
Baby, I crawl in the dead of night, but you don't need me like I need you. Pray that I won't be alone. Pushing the drunk call, middle of the night, you taking my phone. Did I really mean it or wrong? But if you change your mind, oh yeah. Baby, that's enough. Call something else. Okay, let's get up. Drink feeling us. Too many times. Not even close. Say nothing more. Say nothing more, babe. Baby, that's enough. Call something else. Okay, let's get up. Drink feeling us. Too many times. Not even close. Say nothing more. Say nothing more, babe. Just don't let it go. Swear you'll keep it close. When I fall to the sun, when I catch another wave. You know what your options, 'cause all you do is talk about.
It goes like this. Did someone just bark at me?
Tell me that you're taking it slow. Would you pull me close? If I'm bound to the throne, is it better than us? Give me company if you want it. When I wake, you're always missing in the morning. Oh, my friends are drunk again. And I'm stumbling back to bed all by myself. I don't need nobody else. 'Cause all my friends are drunk again. And I'm stumbling back to bed all by myself. I don't need nobody else.
This is an old song, very special to me. I think this might be special to you guys. It's called Skeletons.
Come on, it's about feel bad, go to bed, wake up even worse. Yeah, so sad in my head, feeling like a curse. I need medicine, medicine, medicine. All my skeletons have for the day. you're tired of this. You're tired of the fake love. You really listen. I don't really love you. Don't need nobody else. Don't need nobody else. You get it on your own, so why you beside yourself? So free to kill and say your pain. Don't ever pay no mind. Can you stop for one time? Free to kill. Don't ever pay no mind. Can you stop for one? You ain't gotta worry about nothing. Baby girl, you look like leave. Don't cry, alright. Don't cry, what? Baby, don't make your mind. Baby, don't make your mind up. Say it's gonna take some time. Keep me right by your side. Say you wanna spend the night. Then you run on the side. Baby, don't make your mind. Baby, don't make your mind.
You can't tell that. You can tell that I moved a little bit, I think, but.
So tell me when you wrote today. Stop calling, sad is falling. In the corner of the room by myself. You and everybody empty shell. Every night going downhill. Fake love in a share hotel. Can't believe how far we go. We gonna fancy college sale. Trying to remind, not to say this. Pray to God at this time to forgive me. Saying cool, but another mistress. Every day, every night, getting wasted. But I miss you, what did I do? Fuck it up, love it up, and I lost you. If I pull through, is it too soon? Turn it up, close my eyes and up. Call me up. Stay over and don't call it love. Don't matter if it fucks me up. The alcohol is not enough.
Hey, how did it go?
Oh, it's so fun.
But we're still wet.
Yeah.
I'm wet and cold though, and my shoes are soaked.
And we still have to walk back out of the fair. Made it to IHOP.
What was the sentence?
Made it to IHOP.
Barely.
She's like, now I'm gonna cut it.
Now that you guys are recording me.
Let me explain myself. I don't have the energy to cut it.
The energy's back just for. Who sings Bye Bye Bye?
NSYNC.
Okay.
No,
I can't-
Backstreet Boys.
Which one is.
Haley, help.
In sync.
I wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye 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 bye.
Your outfit is so cute. Both of you in the overalls, short talls. I need a pair of them.
Mine was from Walmart. They were $5.
Mine too.
I need. My finger's always right here. Always. Good morning. Sounds like you need some caffeine. And I'm wearing the tour t-shirt today. So is Nyx. And so is Luna. Luna has the white long sleeve one though. They're all cute.
I would recommend the white long sleeve.
Yeah, it is cute. And that's that. She has to go on the vlog with how cute she was. And you went extra. Look at all your goodies.
But I'm changing as soon as we finish. On the drive home.
So cute.
I got my clothes ready.
She got her normal, her regular. Didn't make it. There's no love in it. He didn't make it. Our cafe guy is not here today. It's okay. Oh, and the other guy made it.
But it's not.
Next time. This is a PSA for the Tula Jour guy. If you're watching this, please.
Wait, that was the wrong hand.
Bakery number 2. I got big coffee and big box again. Okay.
Monday. We all agree we're not gonna go, and here we are.
Came for pho. On our way out.
We just cry for weeks after. And it's we're opening albums.
Oh, that's stupid.
Got Gravity by 1 week. Ooh.
I got Mark! I got Mark!
Mark, look at him. You can't even see him. It's Mark. Mark. You got a sticker.
She got his sticker.
Oh, this was me.
If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I'm still working on it.
When we let her know. What are their fans called?
I can't have this YouTube because I don't have this version.
I have that YouTube.
Ah! Heron, Dongmyeon, Sia.
Good job.
You put some stuff in the trunk.
It's fine. This is cute. They're so baby. Look at Jaehoon.
Got another.
Not my Jaehoon. A different Jaehoon.
There's 3 in here.
Cards?
Yeah. Your red is on top.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
She's like, I have no clue who this man is.
Who'd we get? Who'd we get?
No, because yeah, Bowman.
Ah, Bowman! 1, 2. Who'd we get?
You got Bowman.
So did you. Is that not the same man?
No, this is Juchin.
Do you want Bowman? I met Juchan and I like him.
Yeah, you did.
No. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Juchin. She got Y.
Ah, I'll keep that one.
Yeah, keep something.
He's hot. Ode
17. A pretty boy. What?
I get them confused.
Wait, who did you say?
Always.
Wait, who did you say?
That's not Mingyu. Is that Mingyu?
Bitch, that's Mingyu.
See, those
Ah!
I always get.
We'll check in when Nix has to go pee. Oh my god, this got so hot. I said we'll check into the vlog when we stop to go pee. We're going home now.
Will you put this back there?
No. I got it.
Sad hours, time to go home. Except none of us look really sad this time.
It hasn't been yet.
I know. And we got Starbucks. Starbies.
Oh my god, it's still an hour.
Yeah, because now it's prime rush hour.
Gotta venti because I don't know the sizes.
We got one of each size.
Does anybody else, if you're adding this in the vlog, comment down below if you have a bone to pick with Starbucks about their sizes. All of the sizes just mean big, but in a different language. I'm bothered. They all mean big, but in a different language.
Hello you guys, it's Tuesday, March 7th, and I just wanted to come on here and give an official ending to the Keshi vlog. Keshi Orlando vlog, that is. So we got home yesterday and I am in pajamas still. I wound up taking the day off of work today. I just like wasn't feeling that good, wasn't feeling it this morning. So I've been working on editing, very behind, but editing the February vlog, and then I'm gonna start editing this vlog today, and then just catching up on my shows. So I wanted to take it easy. We all deserve rest, don't forget that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Despite all the rain and waiting in line again, it turned out to be a good concert. It was very emotionally draining to see him because his music was like with me, and I know with Nick's, through like some really hard times. So it was just really nice for me to see him come to life because I've never seen him before. And he put on a great concert. So I did really enjoy seeing Keshi. I would definitely see him again. I don't know about it at an outside venue, but nonetheless, it was a fun concert. It was like no stress. It was another good Orlando trip in the books with my 2 besties, my 4 besties actually, because Steven and Sofie came with us. So it was, yeah, it was a lot of fun. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. Please stick around, like, subscribe, all the things as usual. I would really appreciate your support. It would mean the world to me if you stuck around and subscribed to this channel. I have some more fun things planned coming up, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!